Hello, I'm former State Representative John Patterson, and I am here to read to you today. But before we do that, because we're socially distanced, I'm going to remove my mask so that you can more clearly hear what I'm going to read. And secondly, at my age, because I've read so much, I have to put my glasses on. But a big shout out to all my friends at Head Start. And it is my honor to read to you today this very special book, Because of a Sneeze. So let's see what this book is all about by Bernice Myers. Because of a sneeze, the mouse got scared. Because of the mouse, the poor mouse, look at him getting so scared. The cat jumped up, and because of the cat, this is just action-packed, the dog ran away. Because of the dog, the chickens took off. Look at them all clucking all the way around the barnyard there. Because of the chickens, the rabbits got scared. And because of the rabbits, the farmer fell down. Oh no, look at him lying there. And because of the farmer, the pigs got loose. And all because of Olivia's sneeze. Can you believe that? One thing sets another into motion, and you've got the bunny rabbits, the pigs, the chickens, everything upset because of a sneeze.